Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Davenport, local and long distance movers near me. Trust us at 3 Movers to solve your planning needs in moving in or out of Davenport, Iowa. Our customized long distance services aim at offering a reliable, safe, and friendly experience. Furthermore, our knowledgeable team of movers, drivers, and specialists is at your call for an excellent experience. Our well-serviced and insured trucks guarantee fast and safe transport, and if you have priceless possessions, we can arrange for special packaging. Our specialists are knowledgeable in handling a variety of goods all over the world, and all you need to do is entrust us with the whole process. Bring on any job, we'll happily handle it. If you underestimate a local move within Davenport, you might mess up your moves. Several logistics require your attention, including sorting, disassembly, packing, transferring, and loading and unloading. Similarly, your tight schedule, family, and other interests demand your attention. Consequently, you would need extraordinary strength to achieve all that. By engaging our services at 3 Movers, we promise to do everything moving and let you deal with more pressing tasks. You want to worry about the goods once we take charge because our able team guarantees their safety. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Davenport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.